Hey guys, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Nirali Solanki and I'm studying in class 11 science from TCDAV Public School. So today's topic is KTM bikes. So what is exactly a KTM? The full form of KTM is Kraftfahrzeug or Kronriff Trunkenpolz Matigofen. It translates into English to mean motor vehicle. Thus, it is evident that it is a sports car and motorcycle manufacturing company based in Austria. So now the question arises that who founded this amazing thing? In 1934, an Austrian engineer, Johann Hans Trunkenpolz, set up a fitters and car repair shop in Mattighofen. In 1937, he started selling DKV motorcycles and Opel cars the following years. His shop was known as Kraftfahrzeug Trunkenpolz Mattighofen, but the name was unregistered. A tad bit of history of the KTM. Every company, of course, has a history of its origin. The KTM too has a glorious history behind its success. John Hans Trunkenpolz founded it in 1934 in Mattighofen, Austria. Though it started as a fitters car and car repair shop, later in 1954 the businessman Ernst Kronriff invested in the company and the company came to be known as Kronriff Trunkenpolz Mattighofen, that is KTM. For several years, the company garnered quite a lot of appreciation, also earning its first racing title in 1954 Austrian 125cc National Championship. In 1957, the company built the amazing trophy 125cc first sports motorcycle. Growing and expanding for years, in 1991, the company split into four entities. First, KTM Cooler GmbH as Radiators Division. Second, KTM Fahrrad GmbH for bicycles. Third, KTM Sport Motorcycle GmbH as a division for motorcycles. And fourth, KTM Verkehrsbau GmbH as a tooling division. So here are some of the types of KTM bikes you can see in your screen. First is KTM 125 Duke, second is KTM RC 125, third is KTM 200 Duke, fourth KTM RC 200, fifth KTM 250 Duke, sixth KTM RC 390 and seventh KTM 390 Duke. Now let's talk about ownership. KTM AG is an Austrian motorcycle industry and sports car manufacturer owned by Pure Mobility AG and Indian manufacturer Bajaj Auto. It was formed in 1992 but traces its foundation to as early as 1934. Today, KTM AG is the present company of the KTM Group consisting of number of motorcycle brands. Also, its headquarters are available in Mattighofen, Austria and Upper Austria. So friends, now it's time for ending of this session. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe and comment to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you.